Microdian.
Converting NTSC output signals into images is not a built-in function of the MPO-2000 series. However, the MPO-2000 supports executing Python scripts and provides a user GUI library, allowing users to implement customized measurement applications directly on the device. This flexibility makes it possible to implement waveform to image conversion directly on the oscilloscope. Required equipment: NTSC black and white camera, MPO-2000 oscilloscope, and passive voltage probe. To achieve this functionality, it is essential to understand the standard NTSC signal format. A complete image is formed by the interlaced display of odd and even fields. The odd field consists of 263 lines, while the even field has 262 lines, with each field containing 240 lines of image data. Additionally, for this device under test, the image signal starts at line 23. Each line starts with a horizontal sync signal, and each field begins with a vertical sync signal to ensure that the signal receiver can correctly identify each segment of the signal. Before running the Python script, we need to set up the vertical scale, position, and trigger conditions. To maximize the grayscale levels in the converted image, we should ensure that the waveform appears with the largest possible amplitude on the screen. For stable triggering, the sync signal must remain within the display area, and the trigger level should be appropriately adjusted. The diagram shows the processing flow of the Python script. Import Python libraries. Class instantiation and initialization. Oscilloscope connection and initial setup. Waveform acquisition. Image data reconstruction. Call the GUI library to render the image. We can run the Python script in two ways as shown below. The first method is running the Python script through the Web IDE environment. The second method is to run the Python script directly on the device. We can see that this script took only about 6 seconds to process and display 240,000 pixels. With built-in Python scripting capabilities, the MPO-2000 series oscilloscope lets you create custom measurement functions. It can also control external devices via USB and network interfaces, making it a powerful tool for automated testing. This is especially useful for repetitive long-term tests, saving both time and effort. Thanks for watching.